How to book hotel in booking.com without credit card. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can book hotel in booking.com without credit card. Now to do so, you'll have to be on your browser, not on the app, because on the app you won't get this option. So here on the browser, what you want to do is you want to head into booking.com. You can see I'm already on the booking.com website here. Once here, what you want to do is you want to log into your account. Once you are logged in, what you want to do is at the search bar, you can see the search option there. You want to search for the particular hotels and place and check-in date, check-out date, and particular options that you get there, and you can simply search it. I've searched it. You can see once you search it, you'll get various options. Now here you can see the filters option there on the screen. Simply tap on the filters option that you can see on the screen right there, and here if you scroll down below, you'll find the option reservation policy. And once on reservation policy, what you want to do is you want to select the option book without credit card. You can see there, simply tap on it and select it, make sure it's check marked, and once you do so, you want to tap on show results, and once it'll show all the results or show all the hotels that are available without having you to need to pay first. So here you can see you can select the hotel that you want to reserve. I'll just open this up, and once you open it up, if you scroll down below there, you'll find that it says no credit card needed to hold your reservation, pay at the property. So you can get all the hotels that you can book without credit card once you do it or once you filter it. So this way you can book hotels in booking.com without credit card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.